Alvin आमचो मोगाचो भाऊ तो खंयचेय काम सांगल्यार ना म्हणनातलो. एवर रेडी टू हेल्प. एक फावटी बरो पावस येवन आमच्या कॉम्पाउंडाचो वॉल पडलो. ताणें 2 दिसां भितर रिपेरी केल्ले. म्हाका उडास आसा. फंक्शनान डान्स करचें म्हळ्यार ताका भारी खुशी. तो म्हज्या रोसा दिसा ताणें मस्त डान्स केल्लोय म्हाका उडास आसा. आज ताच्या 75th बर्थडे दिसा we all wish him good health and happiness. May God bless him always.
Hello, Uncle Alvin. And I remember your very great adventurous days when we were small. I remember once upon a time, somewhere in the late 70s, when we were there in Mangalore in the month of May. The total water supply to the house was stopped and there was no water even in the well. And to solve this problem, you took a very great adventurous attempt. You tied a rope to the wall of the well and you went down hanging on that well there. It was almost around 50 feet deep. And then it was me, Raji, Manu, Lavina, and I think Ramon also was there with us. And we were holding the bucket and rope tied to it and letting it down, and you kept digging deeper to get the water stream and raise the water level in the well. And we were doing this thing continuously, and once the water stream came up and within a short time it started filling, you climbed up the same rope and you came up. Every time I think of you, I remember only this main incident which you had done that time, and it was very adventurous for us. And I wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Alvin!
Wishes and blessings from the Norona family. Have a nice day.
वयाडी तुवें सांगचें करेक्ट. तो पळोवंक कालतो आनी मोगाळ दिसता आमकां. तर आज ताका आमी विश करचें नाका रे.
वय वय आमी ताका आज उल्हास पटोवया. तसो 75th प्लॅटिनम जुबली न्ही आज.
करेक्ट. हॅपी बर्थडे ऑलवेज.
हॅपी बर्थडे बाबू.
Happy birthday, Alvin Uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Hello Alvin, happy birthday to you.
हाय बाबू, हॅपी बर्थडे. समजा ना काही वर्णू आता दीस व मोगाचो आमच्या मोगाळ भाऊ ऑल्विनाच्या जल्मा दिसाचो. पाप्पा मामान मोगान ताका बाबू म्हूण आपयलो. घरा आनी शेजारा बाबू म्हणल्या नांवान तो नांवाडलो. आमकांय तो मोगाचो बाबू जालो. वर्सा एक फावटी येता जल्मा दिवस तो 500 वर्सां देवान दिल्ल्या बोळ भलायकेचो. आनी की 100 वर्सां देव फावो करून दी तुज्या जिणयेचो. अर्गां दिता हांव देवान केल्ल्या व्हड उपकाराचो. आमच्या भुरग्यांक बाबू अंकल म्हळ्यार बारी संतोष. कित्याक ताच्या तोंडार सदांच हांसोस. समाधानीन सगळ्यां कडेन मोगान उलोवन सगळ्यांची वळख दवरल्या भोव अपूर्बायेन. आमच्या तेगाय भुरग्यांच्या रोसाक बेळार आयला. मावळ्याचे हक्क ताणें बऱ्यान चलोवन व्हेला. तुज्या मुखल्या जिविताची हर एक घडी संतोष बरी जावन दी. तुवें आशिल्लें देव तुका फावो करून दी. ऑल दी बेस्ट.
Hi Alvin, wishing you a very happy 75th birthday. As you celebrate the joys of 75, may you be surrounded by love, may you find many peaceful moments, and may you be blessed with many more happy and healthy years ahead. Thanks to God for being my wonderful brother. I wish you the best on this special day and every day. Have a great birthday.
Hi Alvin, wishing you a very happy 75th birthday. May God bless you with health, love, wealth, happiness, and just everything your heart desires. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.
Hi Alvin, it's Lancia and Louisa joining you virtually from Canada to celebrate your 75th birthday. As we join Irene, your children, grandchildren, and other family members in celebrating your life, we wish you a joyful and wonderful 75th birthday filled with lots of love, laughter, and a lifetime of health, peace, and joy. You are really blessed, and your positive energy and love has greatly influenced your family and those around you. And we hope your day is as special as you are. As you celebrate your life well lived so far, with many more to come, we wish you again a very happy 75th birthday.
Happy birthday, Alvin. Enjoy your day.
हॅलो बाबू, आज कितलो वरतो संतोष असो दीस जावन आसा. पत्क्याम जायना कितले विगी वर्सां धांवली आनी तुजो 75 वर्साचो डायमंड बर्थडे उदेवन आयलो. आमी सगळो तुका काळजांत धांवन उल्हास बरी जल्माचो दीस मागता. ल्हानपणांत तुवें म्हाका भावाचो मस्तो मोग दिलाय. खेदाडारी म्हाका ते उस्क्यार बसून मोगान बिल्लू म्हूण आपयताले. ते दीस हांव केदींच विसरची ना. हर एक फावटी आमी मँगलोर आयिल्ल्या वेळार तूं तुज्या मुस्कुऱ्या परजळीक तोंडान आमकां स्वागत करताले. पॅन्डेमिका वरवीं आयच्या तुज्या संभ्रमांत वांटो घेवंक आमकां फावो जावना. पूण स्पिरितांत आमी तुज्या सांगाता आसतले. हांव बाबू, आज तुवें मागलें सर्व तुका देव लाबोवन दी आनी तशेंच ताचें बेसांव आनी आशिर्वाद भरपूर तुजेर वचून दी म्हूण आमी मागता. Happy birthday, Babu. We love you.
Happy birthday, Babu.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Ready.
मोगाच्या डॅडी वरतो संतोष आमकां भोगता. आज तुज्या बर्थडे दिसा आमकां सर्वांक तुका उल्हासूंचाक. डॅडी, आमी 5 जाणां भुरगीं ल्हान आसतना तुवें आमच्या खातीर आमकां एक बरो फुडार दिवच्या खातीर तुवें कुवेटच्या गांवान दीस रात म्हणल्या बरेन तूं वावर कर आसलोय. डॅडी, हांव मालगाडी जाल्ल्यान म्हाका ते म्हज्या मोतीन उडास आसा. डॅडी, आज हांवें देवा लागीं इतलेंत मागचें, म्हज्या डॅडीक देव मुखारी लांबावक बॉल बरी भलायकी आनी एक संतोष बरी जीवन दिवन दी म्हणून. तशेंच डॅडी, आमी सर्वां तुका आतां उल्हास पाठयतात. हॅपी बर्थडे डॅडी. थम्स अप.
मोगाच्या डॅडीक आमी सर्व 70 आनी 5 वर्साचे शुभाशय तुका पाठयता. डॅडी, तुवें तुज्या 5 भुरग्यां खातीर आमकां एक बरो फुडार लाभच्या खातीर सबार कश्ट कान रात आनी दीस म्हणल्या बरेन कुवेटाच्या गांवांत तुवें काम केलाय. आज आमी एका बरा फुडाराक फावय जाल्यार ताका तुमचो कारण. डॅडी, आमकां 5 जाणांक तुवें मोगान सांबाळलाय. डॅडी, आज तुका उल्हास पाठयतना देव तुका बरी भलायकी, बॉल, मोतीक समाधान, लांबावक आनी सर्वेस्पराचे दरार आशिर्वाद तुजेर वतून दिवन दी म्हणून मागता.
Happy 75th birthday, dear Daddy. We are sad that we could not be there today to celebrate this milestone with you. I'm so blessed to have a father-in-law like you. Thanks for being an awesome father-in-law who is soft-spoken and ever smiling. May God bless you with good health, joy, love and good fortune.
Happy 75th birthday, Papa. You're the best granddad.
We love you, Daddy.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Happy 75th birthday, Daddy. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and a long life. Thank you so much for your love, for your care, and for your support. Thank you so much, Dada.
Happy birthday, Daddy. May God bless you with good health and happiness always. Happy 75th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
We love
We
you.
love you.
We love you too.
To my most handsome dad in this world, it's your special day, 75th birthday. And also to my most beautiful mom in this world, it's your 72nd birthday on 21st of Jan. We wish you both a very happy birthday, good health and prosperity throughout your life.
Happy birthday, Papa and Nana.
We love you always. Cheers.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Daddy, on your 75th birthday. Wish you happy birthday, Mom.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Daddy, on your 75th birthday. The most loving dad in the world. and wish you happy birthday, Mom. I'm very happy to have you and my dad together, and I'm really blessed. May God bless you and keep you healthy always. God bless you. Cheers.
Hi uncle, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, uncle, and wish you a very happy new year too.
Hi Uncle Alvin, hope you're well. Wishing you a very happy 75th birthday. Enjoy your day. May God keep you in good health. Take care and have a nice day.
Hi Uncle Alvin, wishing you a very happy 75th birthday. Enjoy your day, take care and God bless.
Our dearest Uncle Alvin, first of all, we would like to thank the Almighty for giving you an opportunity to cross this milestone of 75th birthday. We wish you all good luck. May the Almighty shower His choicest blessings on you and keep you under His loving care. We also wish that He gives you an opportunity to celebrate your centurion birthday too. Happy birthday, Uncle Alvin.
मोगाशा अल्विन तुझ्या 75th बर्थडे आमच्या कुटुंबाचे रास उल्हास आम्ही तुमकां पाठयता.
Happy birthday, Uncle Alvin.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Alvin
birthday,
uncle.
Happy 75th birthday. We wish you good health, happiness, and all our love. Take care, uncle. Have a good day. Bye.
Have a great day. Bye bye.
मोगाचे एनिक मागता तुमकां संतोष बरयत बागी जल्मदिवस देव तुमकां फोव करून दी बरी भलायकी लांब आवक आनी सर्व रितीचो संतोष आनी समाधान तुमकां फोव जावन दी म्हूण मागता. Once again I wish you a happy birthday, both of you, and God bless you.
Irene bhai, many happy returns of the day and God bless you.
Happy birthday, auntie. God bless you.
Happy returns of the day, all you up.
Happy birthday, uncle. Take care. God bless.
Happy birthday, Alvin uncle. May God bless you on your 75th birthday, and we wish you good health and lots of happiness. Cheers.
Many happy returns of the day, Alvin uncle. Happy 75th birthday. May God bless you, and I pray for you to get good health and happiness in your life. May you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, uncle. I wish you a very good day, and I wish you happiness with good health, and always keep smiling.
Pauji, so very variety lamb of Malthalia birthday Lisa. Many happy returns of the day. Have a nice time.
Hello, Alvin uncle. Happy birthday to you on your 75th birthday. We wish you good health and happiness this year and many more years to come. You've always been very nice, kind, and always smiling. Wish you many more years of smile and joy. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Alvin uncle.
Hello, Uncle Alvin. Wishing you a very happy 75th birthday. May you have many more years of happiness and good health.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wishing you a very happy 75th birthday, Alvin uncle.
Happy 75th birthday, Alvin uncle. Keep smiling always.
Happy birthday, Alvin Abba.
Wishing you a very happy 75th birthday, dear uncle.
May the choicest blessings of Lord Jesus be upon you on this beautiful day. Enjoy your day and have many more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear uncle. Happy birthday to you.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Uncle Alvin.
Happy birthday, Uncle Alvin.
Happy birthday, Uncle Alvin. May God give you good health. We all love you. Bye.
Bye. Have a
Bye.
wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day. Happy birthday, Grandpa. We love you.
Happy birthday! Okay, ready, steady, go. Happy birthday, Daddy! Wish you long life and health.
Happy 75th birthday, dear uncle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear uncle. Happy birthday to you. Clap, 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 clap. Happy birthday, Baba.
Happy birthday, Alvin uncle.
Hi, Uncle Babu. Happy 75th birthday. See that boat out there? One of those buggies. We almost wanted to hire it for you. Take you on a spin on your 75th. But after the lockdown. So please come visit us in Dubai so we can all celebrate with you. Have a good, safe 75th birthday. And we will catch up and celebrate with you when we are all together, hopefully soon. So all the best from all of us in Dubai.